we're given the equation of a circle in its general form, asked to write the equation in the standard form of a circle, and then we're asked to graph the circle. Well, the standard form of a circle is that really nice form where I get to just see the center and the radius, where the center is at the point h comma k, and the radius is r. So my job right now is to take this equation and make it look like this equation. And what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square twice, once on the x's and once on the y's. After I have the equation in its standard form, I'll be able to use the center and radius to graph the circle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the x's together, just rearranging the left-hand side of the equation, write the y's together, and this constant of -4 I'm going to add to the other side. So here's my equation. I've left myself plenty of room to think about completing the square. To complete the square, we look in the middle term. We divide it by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then we square that number. And I get 36. And if I add 36 to the left-hand side of an equation, I should probably do it to the right-hand side. All right, now I'm going to repeat that process, this time completing the square on the y terms. All right, now I should point out that to complete the square, I need a quadratic, the first two terms of a quadratic polynomial, and I need a leading coefficient to be 1. This trick only works if the leading coefficient is 1. So now I take the -6, I divide it by 2, I get -3, I square that, and I get 9. Now, on the left-hand side, I've created 2 perfect square trinomials, and if we follow that recipe, dividing the middle term by 2, and then squaring that number, we'll always have created that perfect square trinomial. And on the right-hand side, we get, let's see, 49 here. All right, so I can factor this. I get x plus 6 all squared, and then y minus 3 all squared. And if you think back, I divided this middle term by 2, and I got +6, and I literally see x plus 6 when I factor this. When I divide this middle term, I got -3, and that's what I see here when I factor that perfect square trinomial. I now know the center of my circle is at the point -6, 3. And I know the radius is the square root of 49, so 7. So I need to plot the point -6, 3, and then draw a circle 7 units away from it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And now I need to be able to count 7 units in every direction from that point, so I'll just go up on my y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to 10. I need to go 7 units this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more units to -13. And just 1 more unit here, right, because that's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I need to be able to go 7 units down. So I've already gone 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll just draw the very best circle that I can, which likely won't be that good. But we'll just all agree that it's a circle. And we'll just pretend I hit that point and that I actually drew a circle. Or if I really wanted to make this a good circle, I'm just making it worse right now, I would probably use a compass, right? Draw that circle out. But that'll work for now.